Okay, today we're doing the unboxing of the Apple Watch. Ta-da! Here's the watch. This is one of the displays you can choose. Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Nice little design, analog design. And then on the phone, so here's the different watch apps. Okay, today we're doing the unboxing of the Apple Watch.
Oh, Daddy, Christmas
You can see
present.
it, Apple Watch.
Yep.
Nice packaging.
Yeah.
And it says, includes Apple Watch, a band, a charging cable, and a USB power adapter. That's a space gray aluminum case, black sport band, 40 millimeters.
Wow, nice.
So it's wrapped in plastic. It shows this the first thing you do.
Yep.
Okay, it rips the plastic right off.
Wow. Apple Watch.
Kind of nice how they package it. Now, we push on these. That's pretty cool. Very nice.
Wow, look at that.
Here's the band.
Yep.
Black. Another box in a box.
There you go. The box and the box. Open up, open up. There it is. Look at that.
Here's a charging cable.
Yep.
Looks like there's a wall adapter that they should include on everything.
Yep.
I'll put that. Here's the watch, right here.
There is. Wow. Heavy.
Oh, it's got a cover they put on it.
Yeah. But it not scratch. Wow, look at that.
It's got no charge.
Yeah.
A lot of times you get a little bit of a charge, but nothing. So that's the watch. That fits my wrist. It's actually a little small. Probably should get the bigger one. This is the band.
The band.
Oh, they put tabs in to pull. Very nice, nice packaging.
Yep.
A lot of packaging just for a band, huh?
There you go.
Let's see. Is this like an extra? Oh, small, medium, large.
Yeah.
So they give you both.
Yeah.
So we could let RJ. We could put it on his wrist with the small. We'll just try this one. And this is the same for either one. Very impressed with the packaging. Very nice. Okay. That's it. Let's see how this goes on.
How to put.
Well, it looks like it slides right in. Which is the top, which is the bottom. So it slides in here, but I gotta look to see if I got. Yeah, I don't want to put it in yet. So that's it. Ta-da.
Ta-ra! Done now. That's it.
It's got to be charged. We'll charge it up and show you what it looks like.
Yep.
And we'll put the band on.
That's it.
Okay, so it is partially charged. There's the button over there that turns it on. This is buttons for setting. So here's the way I want to have it. Like this, and then turns like this. So you just slide it through like this. Then it clicks in. There's a button there to remove it. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. And now we put this one in. Clicks. You hear a click. So that's it. Band is on. Very nice. Although we got the wrong one on. Push the button to take it off. And see, this would be like this. Snaps right in. There she is. That's my wrist.
There you go.
As a sample of my other watch, Casio.
Yep, you're not set yet.
It was bigger.
Yep.
Should have got the 44. But here we go. Touchscreen, check. Nope, see, I went the wrong way. English. United States. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap to start pairing. So I got to do that next.
Yep.
Power off. That's it. Until I get an app on my phone. Nothing else I can do.
Okay.
Here's the watch. This is one of the displays you can choose. Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Nice little design, analog design.
Yeah.
Kind of cool. Some kind of art, flowers or something. There's the time again, analog. It's got a digital with you can set up different readings, maybe like your blood pressure, different things on there. There's another version. There's another one.
Lots of mini, huh?
There you can have another time zone. This one's got New York time zone.
I like that.
Midnight. Yeah, you can set it to whatever you want in the world.
Yeah.
There's another one. And I'm sure you can get hundreds of them. You know, you can download them, different screens. And of course, this is the standard nice one.
Yeah.
That's the one I keep it on. It's got the date, 25th.
Yeah.
And then right here, you can push this, and you can go into all these different apps.
Oh, look at that.
Yep. Want to get news? Fox News.
Yep. You wanna news?
It's hard to read.
Yes, so small.
I can read it, but that's why the 44 would be better than the 42.
Yep, because it's so small.
Or the 40, this is the 40. They used to make 38 and 42, they don't make them anymore. The newest series, they are now 40 and 44.
Yep, I like for you big, honey.
Yep, maybe I'll trade it in, we'll see.
Yeah, you trade in the time.
And it's just, you just scroll left to right,
Yep.
push this button, get back to the menu. It also takes your ECG, heart rate, pulse rate. It's got to be on my wrist. So, back to that. So you hold your finger on the crown.
Wow.
ECG, electrocardiogram.
So nice.
Some blips in it.
Yep. Ta-da!
It tells you the ECG does not show signs of fibrillation. So it didn't find nothing. And beats per minute, 60. And then on the phone, so here's the different watch apps, whatever they call them. You can change them, you can edit them. And then you have all these other little things you can take care of, settings in general and software updates. Emergency SOS, You can just hold down the button, set that up, or it'll call 911. Activity, it's got calendar, health, everything's on here. And then also you've got, here's the health, don't want that. That's it. See, it goes off.
Yep.
When you raise your wrist, it goes on.
Wow. Nice. Okay, that's it, guys.